Well, I got something else from VEVOR today. They sent me that triple pneumatic airbag jack a couple weeks ago, a month ago, or whatever that was. Hey, look at that fancy Mercury right there. Damn. Anyways, I'm going to open up a diesel heater, a 12-volt diesel heater they gave me. So take a look. We'll see how it is. Alright, here's the box they gave me. Here, you know. We'll open it up and see. This Leatherman here. Old school one. Nice that. My leg, ankle. Out, do that. Pretty fancy. Out, dang it. Get up there. Okay, that drops stuff. Look at that. So it's got this here. Oh, that must be the fancy pants exhaust. The wiring. Oh yeah. It's got a remote even. I'll have to go get some diesel here, but anyway, this comes with that. Any more stuff in here? Oh yeah. Vent. Okay. And oh yeah, instructions. And all the hose clamps. Look at that fancy exhaust. So it's a VEVOR air heater KW 2.0, 5.0, and 8.0 manual. Oh, they got one with 4 outlets on it. This one has 4. This one has 1. I wonder if I can hold this camera. There. Put it back in here instead of being dumb. Take this off. Yeah. It's got the tank right there, the diesel tank. Pump. That must be fuse. Yeah, fuse. Oh yeah. Okay. Anyways, sorry about the camera work. I'm you know, not very good at it, but looks to be pretty decent. I'm gonna go get some fuel for it, and I'm gonna just try it out outside here because you know it's already 100 degrees. Why not make it 150 or more? All right, I picked up my diesel. Don't worry about it being in a red can. It's really yellow. Anyways, so there's a bunch of stuff you got to put on here, and I'll put that on, and then we'll try it out. It's for you can put it in an RV, you can put it in a fish house. You know, I'm gonna try it in the garage office. So I'll get this here hooked up, all the stuff put on there, and then we'll just try it out. It's just kind of a temp deal because I'm going to do it outside because it's already, like I said, it's 100 outside. I'm just going to see how it is. I can't find my temp gun, so I'll just put a manual deal in there. Well, you'll see. Alright, we'll tip it on its side. This here. Like I said, it's just a temporary deal just to try it out, do a review on it. That's fine, I don't need that on right now. I'm not putting that on there right now. Alright, you're supposed to put, let me get this camera. Supposed to put the hose clamps on here, clamp it on there, clamp it on here. I'm just going to set it on there. We're going to just try it out. Like I said. Alright. Now, exhausting. Put this in here. Oh, I bent that a little bit. Don't cut me, stainless. I'm hurting, Linda. Damn it. Alright, that's gonna be that exhaust, you know. I'm gonna run it out the, you know, side there. Cut a hole and run that out, but anyways. Look at this fancy pickup. All patinaed. Oh, my camera's just being stupid. Maybe it's me. I don't know. Okay, so come on, Clancy, stop mowing the yard already. Alright, he finally cut that lawnmower off, but we're gonna try to do stuff here. So we got the exhaust hanging off there. Back here, we got to hook up the wiring. I brought out a battery. It'll be fine. Alright. Use my fancy pants snap-on. Probably cost me 200 bucks for that, for all I know. You just get the tools and make the payments for 30 some years. That's fine. Works good though. Kind of cool. It's 12 volt. I go ice fishing. I got an ice house too, so I might move it in and out of the garage. Use that too for ice fishing. That's easy. Okay. So it is starting to work there. It's got pretty good airflow on it. And this here is starting to get warm. Let's see. Because this, I putting it in there, just blowing on there, the air fan blowing on it, it brought it down to 81. Now I'll just stick it by here once and see. Oh yeah. It's already up to 85. Alright, you see what I mean here. We'll bring it back when the heat's coming out of here. Oh yeah, so it's heating up really good. See that? Oh, I took that out and it's dropping temp now. It's at 160. It was at like 200 when I pulled it out of there. So yeah, it works really well. I'll do another video on it when it gets cold out and I have it installed in the office here. I'll just put it against the wall here, over here, and run the exhaust out there. We'll see how it works. So I'll put the link in the description. Go check out VEVOR. They got all kinds of automotive stuff. Like I said, they gave me that triple airbag pneumatic jack. Also, DD Speed Shop. He's almost to 100K. He's at like 97 or 8 or something like that K. I know I don't have that many subs, but go hit him up, help him out. Look at that guy. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all you. See you on the next one.